Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes. Please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. I'm gonna make some garlic butter lobster tail for you. Alright guys, let's get into this video. Alright my peeps, so I pick up boy, lobster, them expensive, you see guys. Holy mackerel. So anyhow, I pick up 2 packs, and 2 of them, you can get 2 of them for $13 something. But anyhow, when I check on the next aisle, they were on sale basically for half price. So I end up picking up 2 packs for like $7.99. I rinse them off, but I'm gonna rinse them again. So let's go. So let me put them on the cutting board here. Me no professional on this, okay? Me am a professional. So anyhow, we're gonna grab one of the lobster tail. Look at that. All right guys, and how we see them do it, you use a scissors. You want to put it in the back, all right, and you want to cut it down the middle. So then all right, see guys, me not professional, so don't come for me. But anyhow, just try put your finger under it, work the flesh out. Don't break it up. You want to clean it up. Oh yeah. Oh gosh, finally. Hallelujah. So there it is guys. Yeah. All right, close this part. We don't want to see that part where we are looking on the meat. All right. Oh my them not easy to do guys. Wait there. All right, let me do one more on camera for you. So cut it down the middle. All right, open it a little bit. Under the belly, and you're gonna just pluck it out. This one is easier. Yay. So I'm gonna do the next 2, and I'm gonna rinse them off in some lime juice, or you can use vinegar, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, I clean them up nicely, but I also cut off piece of this part so that the lobster the meat part can fold over a little bit. Now I'm gonna get this pan, and I'm gonna set them here. Leave that powder. Let's put one like in and one out. Right, something like that. We're gonna go in with a little bit of onion powder, not too much, just a smidge. A little bit of garlic powder, don't overdo it. A little bit of black pepper, and this is my Jamaican fish seasoning. We're gonna put a little bit. Now we're gonna make the sauce, the butter sauce. I have some garlic. If you like it really garlicky, put a lot. All right, and this is about 2 tablespoons. You can put a little bit more or a little bit less. Okay, I will leave a link to this. This is my Jamaican green seasoning. It has cilantro, thyme, scallion, onion, parsley, allspice, scotch bonnet pepper, and all of that. Okay, this is gonna give it so good flavor. I'm gonna put like a big old tablespoon. I have some butter here. I'm gonna go in with about 1/4 stick, and I'm gonna melt this in the microwave. So you want about 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter. And this is my paprika for a little flavor. I'm gonna put a teaspoon. All right, we're gonna add the melted butter to it, guys. Oh, mama mia, look at that goodness. I like to put olive oil. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of olive oil. Okay. I'm gonna put some parsley flakes. You can put fresh parsley if you have it. Put whatever you want. Put about a teaspoon. Look at this goodness, guys. Ooh, boy. All right. Come over here. It's so easy, guys. Oh, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven at 350 degrees. All right, so it warm up. We're gonna baste this bad boy. Oh, wait, guys. I should get a brush. Wait, let me brush it on. I see the fancy people, you know, they go ahead and brush it on. And guys, you can put this down and you can use it at a different time, okay? All right. Can lift it up and put a little seasoning down on that, guys. You know what I mean? Don't fall off. And you want to just gently cover this. Look at that goodness. Oh, so good. And this can also go on your fish, whatever you want. All right, sorry guys, I hope you were seeing all of it. So basically I go and I lift up these and I go under with some of the butter sauce. My goodness. All right, and what I'm gonna do with my foil paper, guys, I'm gonna put a little olive oil. So if it touch the lobster, it won't like take up any of the seasoning of it. So it's gonna cover this. I'm gonna bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. For my preference, I'm gonna give it 15 minutes, but you can bake it 12 to 15 minutes. All right, my peeps, it's out. Oh, mamma mia. I went ahead and I did some of this harvest vegetable. All right, and then with some of the leftovers butter sauce, I just add a little bit. All right, so that's what I'm gonna serve it up with. All right, my peeps, I plated it up. Oh, mamma mia. It's tempting, guys. It's really tempting, but I actually like taste the sauce and all of that, and it's really, really, really good. So what you want to do, like the sauce and the gravy left over here, all right, you just go ahead and you drip it. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Finger licking good. The sauce is amazing. All right, and my son and my daughter, they're gonna dive down into this. Look at that goodness. You see the meat there, guys?